Hello cherished viewers, welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Since the kind I will share my video, remember to subscribe. Now I share. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. The fried turkey wings. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Yes, that's it. Where I'm taking wings, my cleaning wing now with the blended onion, garlic, ginger, anise, rosemary. We are not the salt, alcohol, all pepper season, chicken season. One mixing together. We are not just work for 1 to 2 hours, but in the chef fridge. Yes, I've been when you're more taste. After 1 to 2 hours, no work on no hour just so. But time be our why so dan said the ancient and never been paid. A being penny watch and walk what you medium hot oil. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Then be so dan said the ancient and never been paid. Aha no, I've been no year fi and when him. Na adwana person dey wait me the eden. Aye. Me we na me tasty and it tastes really nice. Now this is our fried turkey wings. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.